Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase team productivity with Microsoft Office 365, full guide step by step clearly. To increase team productivity with Microsoft Office 365, start by assessing your team's needs. Identify the specific areas where productivity is lacking. Next, encourage team members to utilize Microsoft Teams for communication. Set up dedicated channels for different projects to streamline discussions. Promote the use of shared calendars and Outlook for scheduling. This helps everyone stay on the same page with deadlines and meetings. Leverage OneDrive for storing and sharing files securely. Ensure that all team members have access to the necessary documents. Encourage collaboration through Microsoft Word and Excel's co-authoring features. This allows multiple team members to work on the same documents simultaneously. Implement Planner or To-Do for task management. Assign tasks and set due dates to keep projects organized. Use Microsoft SharePoint for centralizing project resources. Create a hub where team members can easily find the information they need. Incorporate Power Automate to automate repetitive tasks. This will save time and reduce manual errors in workflows. Foster a culture of regular check-ins using Microsoft Teams. Schedule weekly meetings to discuss progress and address challenges. Utilize the insights from Microsoft Teams Analytics to monitor engagement. Adjust team workflows based on these insights for better efficiency. Encourage the use of Microsoft Forms for collecting team feedback. This helps identify areas for improvement based on team input. Finally, provide training sessions on the various Office 365 tools. Ensure everyone is comfortable and proficient in using the software. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.